Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS. ADMAS for Igcse students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. As you know students, we did question number 2 of exercise 2.4. Today we are going to start question number 3 of the same exercise and the topic is also same, that is quadratic inequalities. What I told you in last lecture, the difference between question number 1 and 2. In question number 1, each and every part is factorized. In question number 2, we have to do factorization, but each and every part given is in standard form. Standard form means the first term is a square, the second term is without square, the third term is constant, and right hand side is 0. Now come to question number 3, main topic. In question number 3, we have to first write each and every part in standard form, then we have to factorize and then solve. So let's start. Solve. Part A. Part A is x square less than 18 minus 3x. First we have to write this in standard form. Move both the terms on left hand side. It will be plus 3x, it will be minus 18, and there is nothing, then 0. Now factorize this. 6 3 is 18, 6 minus 3 is 3. So x square plus 6x minus 3x minus 18 less than 0. Take first two term, taking x is common, x plus 6, taking minus 3, x plus 6 less than 0, x plus 6, x minus 3 less than 0. Now let this x plus 6, x minus 3 is equals to y. X plus 6, x minus 3. Now put y is equals to 0 in order to find out x intercept. X plus 6, x minus 3. From this, there are two values of x. One is minus 6 and one is 3. Now, roughly plot the curve. For example, you can say this is minus 6, this is x-axis, this is 3, and this is our quadratic curve. Now, what should be the answer? As you know, in this equation number 1, if you say this is our equation number 1, the quadratic factor x square plus 3x minus 18 is less than 0. So less than 0 means we need the area which is below the x-axis. So this is minus 6. So from this theory, you can say x is greater than minus 6 and less than 3. Don't put equal sign because there is no equal sign in question. So therefore, there should not be equal sign in the answer. So our final answer is minus 6 less than x less than 3. Or you can say the values of x ranging from minus 6 greater than minus 6 to less than 3. Come to part B. Part B is 12x less than x square plus 35. Writing in the standard form x square, move this 12x on this side, and this plus 35 remains plus 35. This is less than greater than 0, because from x square plus 35 there is greater sign. X square plus 35 is greater than 12x, then x square minus 12x plus 35 is greater than 0. Now factorize this. 35 ones are 35, and factors of 12 are 7 fives are 35. So x square minus 7x minus 5x plus 35, taking x from first two minus 5 from last two. So x minus 7, x minus 5, and put this equals to y. Put y is equals to 0 to find x intercept. X minus 7, x minus 5. From here we have the value of x is 7 and 5. Okay, plot the curve, roughly plot. No need to find y intercept. So this is for example 5, this is for example 7, and this is our curve. Now see equation number 1. For example, this is equation number 1. So there is a greater sign. Greater means there is the value from x greater than 5 and x less than 7. So we have two answers. X is I want to check the answer of this part. Exercise 2.4, question number 3, part B. X is less than 5, x is greater than 7. Okay. X is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. Now, this is x is 5 and this is 7. So x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7 is our answer. But how? If you, it means I want to show on the graph. This is our curve and we have greater sign, x square minus 12x plus 35 greater than 0. So we need two values, x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. Let us suppose x is equals to 4. So if we put 4 in the equation, it is 4 square minus 12 into 4 plus 35. Find the value with the help of calculator. Final answer is 3, and 3 is greater than 0. It means x is less than 5 is satisfied. Similarly, x is greater than 7. If we put x greater than 7, for example, I am putting 8. So it will be 8 square minus 12 into 8 plus 35. Again calculate. Answer is 3. Not necessarily 3, but 3 in this case. And 3 is greater than 0. So it is also satisfied. Hence, we have to say our answer x less than 5 and x greater than 7 is correct. This is our answer. So hope you understand part B. Now come to part C. Part C is x into 3 minus 2x less than equals to 1. X into 3 is 3x. X into 2x is 2x square less than equals to 1. Now shift 3x minus 2x square on right hand side. So it will be this minus 2x square becomes plus 2x square. This plus 3x become minus 3x, and this plus 1 remains plus 1, and this will be greater than equals to 0, because if 3x minus 2x square shifted on other side, so there should be 0 on left hand side, and the sign will be same, greater than equals to, greater than equals to. Now it is a time of factorization. 1 2 are 2, 2 plus 1 3. So 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. Taking 2x is common, x 2x is common, therefore it will be x minus 1. Taking minus 1 is common, x minus 1. This implies that 2x minus 1 and x minus 1. Take this one is equals to y and put y is equals to 0. So 2x minus 1, x minus 1. From here, x is equals to 1 upon 2, which is equals to 0, 5. And this x minus 1 shifted over there, it will be x is equals to 1. So we have two values, x is equals to 0.5 and x is equals to 1. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is 0.5, for example, this is 1, and this is 0, and this is our curve. Because this is equation number 1 in standard form. Because there is greater than equals to sign with quadratic factors, so we need an answer which is above the x-axis. So our answer should be just like previous part, x less than equals to 0.5 and x greater than equals to 1. And if you want to satisfy that whether your answer is correct or not, just put these values in equation number 1, and if the answer is greater than or equal to 0, it means your value is correct. Okay, so I left this work for you. Checking is not required, but in order to satisfy yourself you can check, and but you must check. I would say you must check. Now come to part E, sorry, D. Part D is x square plus 4x less than 3 into x plus 2. X square plus 4x less than 3 into x, 3x, 3 2s are 6. X square plus 4x, shift this 3x on this side, minus 3x minus 6 less than 0. X square plus 4x minus 3x is x minus 6 less than 0. Taking now factorization, 3x 6 1 is 6 and 3 2 is 6. X square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. X is common, x plus 3 minus 2 is common, x plus 3. So x plus 3 and x minus 2. Take this equals to y. Let this is equals to y. And put y is equals to 0. X plus 3, x minus 2. From here, the value of x is 2 and minus 3. Okay. Assign this equation is equation number 1. Plot the curve. This is minus 3, this is 2, this is x-axis. And this is our curve. Kindly keep in mind, this is just rough curve. Maybe it is wrong. But in order to just overview and just thinking what should be the answer, I just draw roughly the curve. Now, because there is less than sign in equation number 1, so we have to take the answer from minus 3 to 2. So our answer should be x greater than minus 3 and x less than 2. This is our final answer of part D. Come to part E. Part E is x plus 3, 1 minus x less than x minus 1. First multiply 2 brackets x into 1 is x, x into minus x is x square. 3 ones are 3, 3 into x is 3 minus 3x, x minus 1. So minus x square minus 3x plus x is minus 2x plus 3 greater than x minus 1. Now shift all minus x square minus 2x plus 3 on right hand side. So minus x square become plus x square, minus 2x become plus 2x, plus 3 become minus 3, and this plus x remains plus x. This minus 1 remains minus 1. And because all the terms shifted on right hand side, so left hand side there is 0. And sign of inequality remains same. Okay. So x square plus 3x minus 4 greater than 0. This is a quadratic equation. Factorize this. 4 ones are 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So taking x is common, x plus 4 minus 1 is common, x plus 4 and x plus 4, x minus 1. This can take equals to y. Put y is equals to 0, x plus 4, x minus 1. From here, the value of x is 1 and minus 4. Okay. Now, draw the graph. This is x, this is y, this is 1, sorry, this is 1, and this is, for example, minus 4. So our graph is look like this. Because in equation number 1, standard form, because there is greater sign with equation number 1, so we need area of, so we need the part of the curve which is above the x-axis. So our answer should be x less than minus 4 and x greater than 1. Okay? Hope you understand. This is our final answer. X is less than minus 4 and x is greater than 1. Now come to part F. Part F is for x plus 3, 3x minus 1, 2x, x plus 3. 4x into 3x is 12x square. 4x into 1 is minus 4x. 3 3s are 9x. 3 1s are 3. 2x into x, 2x squared. 2x into 3 is 6x. Simplified, 12x squared 9 minus 4 is 5x minus 3. Shift these two terms 2x squared plus 6x on left hand side. It will be minus 2x squared and minus 6x less than nothing than 0. 12x squared minus 2x squared is 10x squared. 5x minus 6 is 6x is minus x and minus 3 less than 0. Assign the name of the equation of the inequalities. Inequality number 1. 10x square minus x minus 3. 3 tens are 30, 6 fives are 30. So 10x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 3. Taking 2x common from first two, it will be 5x minus 3 plus 1, 5x minus 3. This implies that 5x minus 3 and 2x plus 1, and take this equals to y and put y is equals to 0. Put y is equals to 0. 5x minus 3, 2x plus 1. From here 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is 0.6. And the second bracket 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. From here x is equals to minus 1 upon 2 which is equals to minus 0.5. Now plot the curve. For example, this is minus 0.5 and this is 0.6. This is our curve, and you can see equation number 1. In equation number 1 there is less than sign with quadratic inequality. So less than sign means we need a part of the curve which is below the x-axis. So the final answer is x is greater than minus 0.5 less than 0.6. This is our final answer. And this is question number 3. Done. All parts from A to F. And this is our today's class. So today we did question number 3, all parts. How much work is left in this exercise? Yes. So we did question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. And there are two questions are left, question number 4 and question number 5. I will try to do both questions in next class. So student, If you like my videos, my lectures, kindly do subscribe my channel, because if you subscribe my channel, I will motivate it myself. Second thing, don't restrict my videos to yourself. Kindly share as many as you can. Okay, students, good luck for next lecture.